Let's make some hibachi style food. While those are marinating in my belly, I'm gonna get together everything I need to make this.
You never.
What we're making tonight is hibachi style food. So we're gonna do chicken, vegetables being broccoli, onion, and carrot. Anyways, what I was saying, I don't know what I was saying. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this. A 10, hut. I said, Okay, so we're making the chicken and vegetables, and then I also want to make 2 sauces. So I'm basing this on a meal I used to have a lot in my hometown, and it was a Japanese restaurant where they cook in front of you, or you could sit in the restaurant area, and I always got like hibachi chicken and shrimp or hibachi steak, any of that, and it would always come with two sauces. There it's called shrimp sauce, but it's also called yum yum sauce, but it's also called pink sauce, but it's basically a dipping sauce for your food. So I want to do that one specifically, and then I also want to do, I actually didn't know what it was, but it's a brown sauce that always came with the pink sauce, and I did a little bit of digging, and I think I have the recipe for it. It's like a savory, but also kind of like has a kick to it. So I'm gonna make those 2 sauces to go with it. Yeah, I don't quite have enough. Almost a cup. Tablespoon of tomato sauce. Teaspoon of paprika. Half a teaspoon of onion powder. I don't know if I put garlic powder in already, but I don't think I did. If I did, can't do anything about it now. And if I didn't, I don't know what I'm saying. Teaspoon of garlic powder. Are we sure I didn't put this in? 1 to 2 teaspoons of sugar or maple syrup. Coconut sugar. Tablespoon of rice vinegar. 1 to 3 tablespoons of water. Start with 1. Now whisk until smooth. Fuck. Maestro? Maestro, can you come here real quick? Will you grab me the salt? Salt is at my desk because I eat salt on everything. Yeah, I give it a little sprinkle. Can you grab me that blue thing? I'm gonna have you taste test this.
Oh, baller. Tastes like hibachi sauce. Is something missing from it?
I'm trying to remember eating what it tasted like back then.
I feel like it tasted like that, but that's all
It's very flavorful.
It is.
And I almost feel like it's the better version of it. So now we're gonna make the ginger sauce. And this one is zesty, slightly fiery, and savory. 1/4 cup of tamari, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, tablespoon of lemon juice, 1.5 tablespoons of fresh grated ginger. Could you do me a favor and open that onion? Thank you.
You're welcome.
I cut open an onion and it had gone bad, and it had juice and it got all over me. And it smelled so bad.
Oh my god.
And I tried to smell it again.
Why?
I don't know. I realized that after the fact.
Grating the onion?
Yeah, I grated the onion. We need about 1/2 tablespoon.
I didn't know it was gonna be liquid.
Why is it spicy?
1 tablespoon of neutral oil. 1 to 2 tablespoons of water.
Maestro.
Oh, it says I have stress and I'm supposed to relax right now. Yeah. Spoon and test. It says I'm supposed to put it in the blender. That's why I have a blender out. Guys, cover your ears. Steam? There's steam coming out.
My potions are too strong for you, traveler.
Can you try some, but you gotta leave some for me.
Okay.
Wait, I think it still has texture. This
does.
could be the sauce.
It's very gingery.
It's salty. God damn, that's pure salt.
Yeah, that's what it is. It's a little intense.
Intensity.
I felt that in my tooth.
That was straight acid. What's in it? vinegar, tamari, lemon juice, ginger, onion, everything acidic and abrasive is what's in it. I didn't put sugar in.
Oh, you didn't?
No.
Oh, that's probably what's missing.
Yeah. Could do another tablespoon of water too. Damn, that's good. It's only just a little bit. This is good on, I bet this is good on meat, like steak. Babe, I don't think I can do this. Okay, your turn to finish.
So we're gonna finish off where Lindsay left off. Following this step by step, adding some water to the pot first. All right, we can actually just drop these right in. So that's what I'm going to do. There's one, and there's two. All right, some salt, and pepper. Need some black pepper. So 1 medium onion sliced. Now does sliced mean the entire slice? Or does sliced mean like, I'm gonna go like this. Cause like, if we're gonna eat this, probably want it to be at least accessible. Obviously I'm no fine dining chef. I know I'm not as funny, but y'all have to do. Carrots, 2 carrots. Now because these carrots are a little on the smaller side, I'm gonna go 3 instead. Also because I love carrots. And did you guys know that these little peelers where they kind of like have 2 sides, you can just like go up and down and up and down. And that's actually how they're meant to be used. And it's a little quicker than sometimes than like manually going all the way up and down. Little fun fact. This is also a great way to like do a carrot salad because like you can just like do that and then like you get all these nice like perfect size shavings for making a carrot salad. So double dude. The autistic hand washing. It explicitly says do not stir, so we're not going to stir. And set that to pressure cook for 8 minutes. And then we're gonna let it naturally release for 5. But while that's going, I'm gonna get the broccoli ready so that I can throw that in after the fact. And here we have broccoli. Just give this a little rinse off. When you are washing broccoli, you do it from underneath so that the water will run through, because if you do it from the top, it just kind of like rolls off, which is pointless. All right, we're just gonna cut some broccoli florets. Kind of sketched me out the way it looked though, because it almost looked like a roach of sorts, but it's definitely not. It was just a seed, because I could see the broccoli sprouting out of it. Somehow it got like absorbed into the rest of this. Or maybe it's from something else entirely. I have no idea. I'll cut that a little smaller because I think we're gonna want more bites of broccoli. And if it's big like this, we're not gonna be able to quite enjoy that the same way. God, that Interstellar theme is amazing. I'm sitting here listening to it right now. It's not actually the Interstellar theme. I think it's specifically Cornfield Chase, but everybody just calls it the Interstellar theme. But it's not actually that one specifically. It's some other interpretation. It's amazing though, all the same. I think that's good. That'll be nice. All right. And then I'm going to add the broccoli after it's done pressure cooking and steam released. I wanna be a owner. I have nothing to do in that meantime, so I'm gonna just kind of like tidy up. Garlic goes back in the cupboard. Spices go back on the shelf. Okay, excellent. Just put all this stuff away too. I'm gonna put these in a bowl for now so I can clean up. Pressure cooker's over there steaming up. Still the Interstellar stuff. Love it. Ah, that soundtrack. Waiting for the natural pressure release, and then I'm adding the broccoli, and take the cover off, put the broccoli in, close it, and just let it sit for I said 3 to 5 minutes until the broccoli is crisp and tender, and then we eat. All right, the pressure cooker is finished. We are adding the steam now, or not the steam, but the broccoli to the pressure cooker. And then put the broccoli, I don't want to put that in there. And then the broccoli goes in, and the cover goes back on. And then we'll set a 4-minute timer. Not 40, 4. And then while that's going, I'm gonna chop up this chicken. Didn't quite work as well as I wanted it to. Don't want it quite shredded though, so I gotta be careful not to cut any smaller, I think. 24 seconds to go. Perfect. That's the steam rebuilt. I think like it needs quite a bit longer, so I'll probably set it another 5 minutes, because that is definitely not crispy and tender yet. It's still very much not cooked. All right, well, all right, it's all done. There's still a lot of liquid in it, so we're just gonna like eat it as is. And we also haven't cooked any rice because I forgot to start that. So we're just gonna eat some chicken and veggies with some hibachi sauce for now. How much sauce would you like on yours?
Just a drizzle, I think. Yeah.
Kind of like what I had.
Yeah. Shrimp sauce.
Shrimp sauce. They're really actually the same, so whichever
Okay.
one looks more appealing to you.
Okay, we're gonna try it.
Hell yeah. Broccoli and carrot. Actually, this reminds me a lot of the hibachi. I do wish we had rice. My bad. But is it everything you hoped it would be?
They keep sticking up. They're the little hairs from the German
Ginger.
ginger. Well, I'm gonna sit down.
Oh yeah.